Hi, Brian Zamanda, the sex therapist. I'm happy to be on Love Life today. Bina, Babie, and your daughter. I hope you enjoy this. We've been talking about real life experiences in sexual courts, how to be superstar, bedroom kings and queens. Take care of your pussy, take care of yourself, and enjoy. See you. Enjoy yourself.
So you were saying,
That's the time I want to will be interviewed. The woman's body is made in such a way that it's imaginary. When what upon named Vako, I've triggered something already. Or time to go close and stitch that book. And I also do the same. Just conversation.
Okay.
And we talk.
Non triggering.
It is single created our surgery.
Yes.
But what Narumba?
Narumba. She's over at the sitting room.
But I ain't not here. But you don't directly take a lot of cousin. So you have to be upon the way to me happy new take out. Katakata andika. It's a foreplay, it's not basically kissing, but what are you?
Yes.
Hey, poor pretend kissing.
Your microphone is.
It's microphone. Bandula. What is that?
Facebook.
Hey, go on like that. Okay.
I wash my clothes.
Okay.
And I also shower.
No, not really good.
My God, this microphone is just giving me okay. Let me see what I will.
So I will go.
When I have Facebook, but you
So mistake jitusanga mu basajja abasinga. Women come here trying to musajja atopanga ngenda inachaanga. Omuntu ono uwo. The danger part gender basajja abasinga is their experiences are always rushed.
Okay.
Nze abakyala abasinga bagamba I'd rather have beautiful foreplay than vandalizing me.
But that's
Just vandalizing.
Yeah.
One of stages.
Yes.
Is Chitwani say stages on Kwan.
Okay.
Because in one of the stages, I think I got to the event, it's natural for Chili. Chikulaga and Tisawe, so one of Banga Gamato, because of the phone. Banga Gamato, all season, we saw money, well, to get to go bad.
No,
no, Jumba.
Ishkopo.
It's not Chikua series, that travel consistency in carrying into it. Well, I hear Mazija, Gilagante Munkatanso, Vera Tando.
Hey,
That is also Julia, implant Katuna at this Akaoka Kanjabu.
Hey, when you stand on a
but this is human.
But the wasn't what you never named when I was it's natural, flora dies. Kati body to whitish clear, more sticky discharge. Consistency we're trying to get not to wounding a gamba mammy or a jet aliwa. Kafuka a little bit darkish. Kata water again, Katikamba, I need that Ogona Midiango no Ogona Midiango, Katauritango, you can shaking and button.
okay.
I mean, sex I not get in that sad. Yeah, but I was a Comacoin or Pesoka.
Only more two that we end up in my
Runs on that half the times, almost all what they would enough. But boy, no. Mutani kekulipepe. Unza no kubala tutex notes kumkwata ko tutex. Kati no suggesting ngatoli serious. Ngatoli serious. Kati nze bane kuletera.
Atole otani ogeze no kwadondola nzeka tumekute wote wali chekuli.
Anti kati Katonda yakola mubiri gw'omukyala gwonna everywhere it is responsive. Kisinzira wow engage ekikoze. Kati the woman's body receives in circular modes.
Okay.
You know what circular modes are?
No.
But when you it doesn't work. But when I do that, that's circular mode. man turns to this word everywhere.
Okay.
So for us who believe in making a statement, it's all about but you think about it over and over. Women believe
Somebody has ever done that.
women want women work in the sense of create patterns for them. To women, sex is a series. Then when it was previously on Brian.
On brand and
Doreen.
Kati Brian and Doreen wabanga waliwo ina amalusu mangi omuyira amalusu oli opakuka lwakula omuntu apakuka but we have a pattern that is nze nsobola okukola ebintu nesiyingira eri ninosigala ng'obirowoozaako. So men, a woman responds to much more of how you make her feel than what you do. Engeri gy'omuleetera okuwulira okusinga by'okola. This guy was a brand omusajja asobola okubeerako for 3 hours. I take a camera, I bruise, I wait again, I bruise, I wait again, but I've never come.
For 3 hours.
Ng'omusajja aliwo akuuda ate mbw'alina enanka nnene. So and I'm like, okay. Eri abasajja nga ba-headmaster waka nga baba batandise either kukyusa oba n'okyuka. So that there's no communication. Yet for me, I believe sex is communication.
Yes, communication.
Mufune pattern ya fife, fina pattern ewaffe. Yet ne watu wala unakwenda yategera nti kati mambisi. In a conversation, you have to have a flow. Eri abantu katalina ye kasaba ng'olumba bw'atandika ye yaleeze dda ate enankayo katonda yagikolera y'abakyala nti inakuba weti bikaseera kati eri wetness eyo nga yo yeyina okubeera okukuuma ekifo for flora kati abasajja abasinga bwajja n'agikwata magamba buli wet nayo gamba tweyagala naye bulina okuba wet enanka eyetigamba your mouth if you run out of saliva there's a problem kati gwe wajja nampala the river nodanga
There's a problem.
Posing it anyway. So for lack of a better word, for you as a man, your number one goal is to know the body of a woman. I think of what I do to body you not those chitama. Oh, I'm telling you, but my mother am subject to next number. Young subject, we have some and about to got so much before he enters. At your marriage, I saw Kunaka make a new Kaliso. Atasikanyu
They don't know.
Don't be serious with you.
I know.
Design you know it's gonna help you reconnect with somebody. Maybe we are too serious.
No Jiruma.
But what you are teaching them,
All they do.
They don't not the boy child.
Yes,
It's a boy child.
Boy child has issues because now child was saying but I would rather if you give me your phone, Doreen, and put the phone there, because what's the password? Sijja kumala budde bungi nga noonya password eyo kati ne buli mukyala alina password ye naye oba tamanyi nnyo sex amanya kikyawuliramu obulungi kimubuuze in a nice way tobuuza nga baby bw'ateewa kati bw'ofuuse doti tandika baby how do you feel when I do this aba kyakirowooza ku mugamba about this otandisa wait go back to that is that that's the way it's always you're communicating and women love this because it makes them now be in the moment. Baby, how do you feel when I do this? Now her mind is being triggered to this. Wait, let's go back to the other. No, okay, make it slower. So it's the pattern of discovery. Buli kyokola naye obanga otaddeyo mutaka oli musekuzo oli gwe akawunga eyina engeri gy'osooka obuuza do you like it first? How does it feel? In a nice house kyobuuza kiri bw'obuuzabuuza bebe kiri kino nakoze mugolobozi obulungi ate manyi eddoboozi katonda yakola eddoboozi ly'omusajja nga it's a common for most women munameeka bakaloboozi kabi bebako kyoyogera wakizivuuvu malimba Run and can bang the bottom sound wire.
What's the boom?
You know, but then she just says something. But there's a girl who said, Run, so sitting and all you hear is,
I know.
but it's engaged. Look at her in her eyes. It's turning her. That's the what are you? Okay. I like you, darling. Where? I'm going to otandise nno weekoze beera ngaeyekoza mune oliyekoza naye ate nga bituuka but for that moment lana pattern nzere waffe twakola pattern yaffe tunyima ebibuuzi oneiba ayinza olowooza tutwali kigenda maaso ewaaneiba kumbe ffe waliwo ekitambula just oli abulize ngaenduuzi etuuseemu ataawo ng'omanya muntu aguse but I want to tell the man out there having the way you deal with Doreen, the same way Bina is dealt with.
Yeah, we have different bodies actually.
Yes, true. Because when you look at VTs or whatever that VTs for so long, you go from Mercedes. The lights are different, the indicators are from a different place, so you need time.
I noticed when Dodo would drive my beats. Yes,
that was a
indicator.
That's why I missed the case. I just remember your boy child, the way I got pick up as a new car. Naye omuntu omu nga learning talk pattern bo. Ekisooka nga gwosobola okubuuza ebintu byonna. Ekisooka Katonda yakola ensuju ng'efaanagana mu nko. Naye byeyagala byanjawulo based on people's personalities and temperaments. Oyinza okuba kumwa amayi ennanka oluguudo. Vitizi eyitako, loole eyitako, sinotrack ziyitako. Kati oyinza okuba vitizi naye nga kubaddeko sinotrack eyitako. Kati ate n'oyagala ogyosiriwalire mu kinnya ekinene oliwa vitizi. Kati oba oliwa vitizi nga sinotrack ebadde yakubye ekinnyawo bw'oba ojja kigwamu.
N'owuliramu n'engamba nasikuwulira.
Kitegeeza nti bw'owa vitizi yo olina okuyiga gye bayita eno bayiwa ekinnya. I am trying to be nice, but ekinnya kyagaziye sinotrack yayiseewo. Kati bw'owa vitizi oba ng'ofunye omuntu Doreen ogenze vitizi Doreen afunye abadde ne sinotrack yayiseemu nkubu. Gikwate ebbali ite oweewalemeka okuvugeko kataka omanuvalinga ekinnya okiyite. Because mistake y'abaana abantu abasinga balowooza kuvuga speed mu kinnya okigwemu oba olina kavitizi kagweyi n'emipiira gipanguke oba olina kisinotrack kyo ate oyongeremu. So what am I trying to communicate here? Buli muntu wanjawulo. Kasooka omanye emmotoka gy'ovuga ovuga vitizi dadi oba oliwa vitizi nga Doreen waliwo sinotrack yayiseewo bw'oba ogimuvuzi mulungi Doreen tajja nakunotisinga nti obadde wa vitizi nti eri omuntu atajja kuli yatinnya nga wayiseewo bulungi nanofadako ntegeeza ati mu mbeera eno soma embeera gye tuyitamu bw'osomera nga Doreen ono sinotrack azimuyiseemu banga omuwulira nti okusooka owulira nti no sinotrack yayise mukinnya ate nze nnaka vitizi kange kati gwe oba yagala vuga speed yemu
Doreen aleme kuyeenya.
Kati ebya masakambala omanyi woba otandika otuuka okulanda about yemu yebuseka soka wetolere ekkubo lyonna eryalanda wetolere nga bw'omanyi emmotoka ezinaayitawo nga bw'ozibala because it's very important for you to know
nga bwe mbala nga nkola ki
anti bw'obala omanyi wait nzamakyaliwo nzabala wakavitizi sinotrack yayiseewo kati bweseegereza niza obulira omwo kyetutegeeza kiti nti wali omukyala gwosanga bambi ngagazi kale okyogere mbale nga sinotrack zayita omanga sinotrack yayitawo kati nze nabanya abasajja. One of the greatest sex I have actually experienced is finger business. Reason why, it gives you a time and opportunity to learn the body. Remember, akajiti, the G-spot. Yawo waggulu awo.
Buli omu alina G-spot.
Buli omu alina just discovery yetulemesa. Kiri mu kifo naye enkwata yaayo. Ate nze wakingamba abasajja bw'okola that if you've not made your woman come, she's your roommate, she's not your house. She's not your wife. once you talk about no emirundi ena naye nga tamalanga
True.
kitegeeza topaying attention
Yeah.
oba boy child yambuuza konsete mukulu 40 years nagamba omanyi tonto omukazi yamaze nga abe baakisexuality kolana n'abaana mukaaga n'abaani gaabonyeebonye obanga osobola omukyala amaze tabula if you know what you're doing tabula banje bena abakyala batamalangako nga ali awo tamanyi nti yamala so for how we do it twayogedde ku makubo nti the body of a woman is a suggestive mindset.
Yeah.
Doreen nsobola okwogera ebigambo n'oyima naye ati n'obeera n'omuntu ng'akubaddeko akwatidde naye nga owulira ng'amabusungu owulira n'obusungu naye ng'obudde akuliko amaze eddakiika mukaaga tips that make you a star. Don't look that before a woman.
Okay.
And confidence is one of the things that boy child has to achieve.
Confidence.
Achieve confidence. And after you've achieved confidence, know your game plan. Tobeera nga atamanyi bigenda mu maaso. Game plan okimanyi.
Because you more setting up pace.
Osanzeyo komando, oli abakazi nga bakomando waliwo komando nga ye tatazanyira mu bigambo nga yafuze speed. So bw'obanga gwe superstar obeera nga chess player omanya nti bwe mba nteeseyo kapondi kano mbanya ogenza kweta bishop yowana kitekwa have a game plan. Game plan yeetya game plan osooka n'ostudying embeera otumina Bina naga Bina is more of an intuitive person. She's a thinker. She's very OCD. So I have to first of all convenience a gun so that I smell fresh. I'll turn on the Bina. Kiss her well. Talk to her about more with it. That's the game plan. Tons of game plan. What's your next game plan? Oh, I'm telling you, I'm going to go guys will produce a minuti in 1 minute. Now produce take it. Not sleeping. Ali too much, too many. The body is busy doing nothing. What am I trying to draw to? Have a game plan so that you don't look like a loser. Game plan is indicated. And not answer and what's a good Manu and Vida what you get. Suggesting it. Because one of the things is the total want to picture a tell you want to pull away 1 year, that's all pull away. The total want to picture is to get a movie with theater. A year in a TV one music was all playing. Because your job one is to understand what you That's Doreen in so is so like I'm a gifted person. I'm watching. Never think about at movie that I was saying that their mindset is to there. Now to kind of you cannot move it. One of your lava Philip Urugamba. The arm of your parents will never destroy the vagina.
Yeah, I heard of that.
You know that African proverb?
Yes.
But most men function in the arm of the penis. You
won't shift it.
You will not shift it. So how do you give it time? Buli mukyala asobola okutuuka gy'alaga nga tonobana kujjayo mutaka. You can make a woman come before you even enter her.
That's what I told Kasu. Nemupakanya kachachoke.
Osobola okukozesa omukazi nga tonnakukwata kumunanza. Naddala nze nga nsanze omuntu ogusooka nsooka jjuwa kiwabulidde. Kubanga nze manyi obuntu buli obusonsomola. One of the things abasajja baffe tebatamanya nibo basazeewo okwesangaala abanga asima kadoma muma mubisi gwa njuki. Nakyajjayo. The other thing needs softness.
Yeah.
Softness.
Be gentle.
Julia. Softness.
Chikoko buloko nali manyi kwafa naye kulabika
Kuzotose.
Softness. So ideally, you.
I don't know when manyi tiwali musayi naye ate nkulidde.
Embeera yetukyusa. Naye kulwadde tunagenda okuvaano
Ngakuzukuza.
Kasitotantandinga ono akwesagala byakunyingira.
Toyagala kuyingira. But you can also come. There's something I teach women, meditative orgasm. Kati obanga oli mukazi ng'omusajja guyina okimanyi bambi teyafuna experiences zimala. Nze ngamba nnyo abantu never leave a man because of bad sex. Bad sex changes. Never leave anyone, even a woman, if you love her, everything in sex changes. Unless it's a physiological problem. Okay. You know physiological problems? kewetamu ebirungi ebiri bekatenga katono nga kafumita olyanga ebiso katinyo bakatenga kawanvu nga kewetamu oba otherwise sikukyusa by the way kwasosoka nokakwatamu nokebera testing 1 2 abakwata kumpala awo owulira nti omwana testinga tulabakana mutu nga tosose kugezesa watu ogenda mu kkubo nga tosose kuwulira wamukyala enamukagwanze natya nerowooza nti ndi wakabi kati eganye teyansabanga akola ebyo byatasaba lumu ne mugamba negundi woman aren't you attracted to me? I'm not sure you want. Musajja yayitibwa empale ng'ennanga ekomye wansi mavivi ate nene nkazanga mbambisonyiwa. So it's also nice to test one. Kati boy child afune ebizibu ebyo. So ne boy child alina sinotract. Manya ng'egyo tukozesa mu okusigala nga tumanye baana b'abantu. Amanyi Katonda yakola ekkubo eryo nga engeri zeemu n'oba olina kikisobola okutuuka wekirago kiraga.
Nsolo okusaba ekirimu omusajja yagenda n'agamba alina abakazi alina girlfriends. I think it's even an advert that goes on the radio. Bambi he talked naye nze naseka mukama nsonyi. Omusajja yagamba mbu ye abeera anyumirwa naye akomawo nnaku 3 amugamba ambu munene nnyo kati n'agamba akoze atyo okendeezaamu naye era abuza medical doctor
kati okendeezaamu it could be perfect simanyi wakikola naye olina okuyiga okozesa kyolina abasajja basinga kuyingizaako akatundu osooka ozanyire wano omuntu atukete agala niyingizako akatundu nawe kenyini afunye omuntu omunene ginuneko tubira ku muzindala
tebakkiriza
waliwo abasajja batya tumira ku muzindala omwana babaluma abaana babaluma
bakozesa amanya nabo batutama amanya omuzindala gulina microphone wetambulira line wano waliko urethra wano wewava more sensitive ne kuringa eno naddala bamusalako kunkofiira waliwo ekikofiira ekyo pay more attention here bino ebyokumenya newochokinga birina pattern yabyo naye tumira wano webati ku sex anyuma nga gwe batambuza nawe atambuza munyumira mwenamukakalisalabo
naye bakyabambi abamu tebaagala muzindaalo ate nze balina muzindalo lwakubanga of their sound. I like it when no, most of them don't want.
I think it's the experiences.
Okay, I won't say most of them. The ones that
no, it's the experience.
They give me an opportunity to put that.
No, it's the experiences they've gotten, and a lot of men are also not confident in what they carry. Kanti wanda batomanya nga tagala nyo ketegereza nnyo obanga teyashavinze nga tali clean nnyo kati nga amanyi I don't want to give you that vibe. Manyi kaza basajja kati boy child kulebe ya kabina. Kitegera watu n'abanga Muslim musigala mu kupu. Zinakolako nalina share abakyala ge nayo WhatsApp group. Buli omu ng'akuba ekifaananyi kya box y'omwami nga mulimu tu BBB.
Babanyi kwesangula.
Bw'obanga olina ebyo ya mukabina ne weesangula mpozi ng'okozesa white eziri weeteza baby. Oba si gy'omuonaganda a Muslim. Kati that's why I love the Muslim part of that. Bw'obanga olina ebyo ya buli musajja atera okukola ebyo ya mukabina. Kati kikuwa ne oba oweesangudde ne tissue otya tewa clearinga. That boy child, one of the tips also that make women very comfortable around you is when you don't have that awful odor that comes around.
So they should do waxing down there.
Waxing
Bina mom. Not even one. Even my birthday, I traveled somewhere here. The Indian girl was like, we also do waxing. And I'm like, oh, okay, let me try out the waxing. And then I'm asking you, my sister, waxing. Now, that's what I say, Shaving cream ekizibu kyalina eyo kyakabira.
Anti eyo kyali.
Olina okuba olikunamiza nga tewagenda baawo. So boy child grooming is one of the most important things that make you a very good sexy girl. Eri omwana omuto gwe balimanga okuza ebyoya bingi akasolo nga katono ekabula abantu. There's a disguise and then it's ekitu from naye ogenda kuba nga toli omuntu ali comfortable. So
bakanoonya buno.
abasajja abamanyi kugamba why they are not comfortable with you going ku muzindalo okutumira ku muzindalo. Alina by'atayagala owulire. Olabe. Yeah, either olabe oba owulire. Era omusajja yanze yalina embalabe ku muzindalo kwafuna ensundo. What? I think that's zirabika mu mikati nga simuswaza. The funny thing is, buli musajja olina okutuuka ku level ebeera groomed enough that obeera confident n'otambula mu mukyala nga wegimulagira mu open space. Oliga nga tagala bakifuneko agiyingiza speed nga yonna girabako. So we have to get to a comfortable level. Bw'omala shaving Bina, onateekawo okunuuna tojja kuba na awful experience tugenda wamuntu oli. Tuyamba boy child because ebintu ebibeera ebizibu by'abakyala abasinga. Ate tosindika mwana w'abandi kumukaka.
Ng'agaze ku muzindalo
n'omukaka oyo omunyigireko kubanga they are awful. Kana omunuunyi nawe olina okukola experience. Beera nze gamba nyo abakyala omwami ne gayanga wuwo buli bukyafu bumuliko you have a nice way to stop it. There's a nice way you can stop it. If you shave a color, it would be really romantic. So what you shaving? The baby guy you love to shave. It's romantic also.
Nemugambagira kwate n'akabina.
Because it's about fun. It's about what you're actually totally comfortable when shaving that night.
Okay, that's a good one.
That's
your money
making grooming. So boy child has those issues. About and about more infection. All you need to do is to Kati waba kuingira bikuta omwana omukazi n'aba every time I'm upset with this man mbanga naenda obsessed to mulyango kunsuje oyingira. So it's a grooming thing. So men, do not vandalize. Make the girls feel different. Entaba nakoma ajukira bi nze nakuwa pattern bwenkola ebinyuma leero buli lunaku ojja kuloza bijja kunyuma n'ebinaati byanyu because there's an experience I've given you before. Making sure that your first experiences with any girl are worth the while. Vakuchinanga tosokotibeko. Mwe experience wongo limunywa.
Okay.
Bweba kulinuna. Bweba limununyi nuna. Bweba toli mununyi.
Yes, anyway.
Do the finger. So that omuntu akusaba the piece. Tseka muko nawe. Changu tulize abantu nga bakulinze nga manyi sexually nga conduct. Atula wano ku mulyango ne muziweereza kitentegeeza wano. When you're not inviting inside the wallet is boy child, the vagina is sensitive just 2 inches in. Nagamba it's about creativity. Epenyo nga nkyali commando nafunako omuntu endabanga agireberesa nnyo. Mwana mugirebera? Swampy. Right bakulia bintu nataka story nyingine nitaka ukasitoa wakatono. Nimbera ngajifua mbanga sipping ndiko nakumbuka kampana. Explosively nasino unanya kujamu juice ate ngambanga afuwa back. That feeling. Just imagine benande kaseke mwekali blowing up. Musika nenda ko kampana. Nukanga wiga bisisa dijeko. Different experience. Sex is creativity. Tobera ku kintu tebikoli byawandikibwa nti kirina kuba waste bwekiriba amen.
Brian, men don't clean themselves. I don't know why.
Yeah, that's why I said wabanga oli mukyala.
Kati wembanga namugiranga every time kati learn.
And for us men are like children sometimes. You babysit. If you're not ready to babysit, talk about side.
You're not ready to babysit.
Talk about side.
Men should be babysitted.
No, there are things that you're going to look like babysitting. You don't want to. You don't say that you're flashing.
Huh? What do you want to?
You're flashing. Ngojambo flashing ariko muganda. Flashing again.
I keep quiet.
Flash. Okuja kwanga chifuze pattern.
Okay.
Baby they do flashing. I think they do. So the grooming part is where most girls have issues. I think osanga too clean nnyo. Problems. When they have OCD. They have OCD and they get over. Young Sanja, you know, is at every level of sex. I don't like the way you smell. At every level of sex, I'm again on a So we're in a world where I want to have a singer. They've made sex become a chore. The sex has become a chore for them. And go back to King. That's why, as I said, let us have a freedom kind of sex world. What's a freedom kind of sexy world? It should not be either my way or high waters, either this or this. Well, I'm telling you, Brian, only decide to eat, but I can't use Janja, 36. You know, it's Janja.
Little boy child.
You know, it's Janja.
Helping the boy child over in bedroom issues.
Yes, you know, it's Janja, either on that or not. Never mind that. Tell you create a pattern. There are women out there who cannot express how they feel about their men. But what I'm saying about turning on boy child, some boy children don't like being told what to do.
Then how can I tell him what to tell him that?
Nicely, otandika bot. Bwabanga abadde adjust speed. What on the speed, grab it and just flow it the way you want. Flow it. Our times of don't be verbal in teaching because it may come off as frustration. Then all I'm saying about the on the budget office guy bamugamba ngechokola katachokola. Omukazi nabera namubulirimu kati bajja because the guy had stopped having sex. Yana babana namusente nogola mbantu sekaya mukirizawo katuzo oli akajja nekimwala tukane kisigala kulinga kantu kakudedda wechi sunda oli kivaako. Now, they are never separating. So it's okay for boy child to be told what to do. But you, the tailor, be nice.
So it's
don't be too verbal when you're directing boy child.
Yes.
No, you go one on the toe. Remember, quarter speed. Better in a place where you're in charge of my flow. Just take it slow. Take it slow. Yeah, that feels good there. That way. Like when you say everything about the comfort of the space.
Yeah.
You don't want to be a na supporting that. But I choose a positioning. Boy child, Wamanyanti, Omtaz Goliko, Doreen was Sinatra, not missionary.
Hey! I never did my missionary, Babali.
I just hold it.
Ngazen what it is. During missionary, Sinatra,
missionary,
dance of Nyampanya. Ojango was a bicycle missionary. Bicycle missionary. Bicycle missionary. Oberanga atusa kumaguru boat. As if I was a never take out direct. Oberanga the dance of Nyampanya. But now what it is together week. There's actually Timanya Jen Kola, but one it is. Yes. Do more of the spoon.
Oh, I love the spoon.
Do more of the spoon, and this is what you're going to do with the spoon. Let your hands be busy. Funa space in the let the hands to the clitoral. Fine.
Hey.
You see, it's called a 3D now. Remove 3D out.
Okay.
The spoon on to against it. You must have more look at no saying that one. When you have swimming, I don't get. I just strumming
I'm playing with myself, yeah.
I just strumming here. You kill Mutakajari, Munda.
Now
I know now we're supporting that. But Mama Twina. Questa vuole studio compi. There's this one person I told. Ye for play, I'm going to Naga Brian, I'm sorry, I'm going to have see. I think Bruin is about to get away Vivi. Just cut her up and let this Vivi be there. It out where. Take time. Like forget about entering. Because you're going to go and you mean that you're going to go to the video. What? You're going to go to the video. Every video, when you tell me to Bw'oyingirira nga Babie yatuuse dda. So my advice to boy child out there, nga tonakuba mwana w'abandi butawooma na butanyuma, embeera egitereezeemu. Buli mukazi alina amazzi ate buli mukazi ali bweti. Okujjako ng'olina ebirwadde byo. If you suffer a lot of infections as a girl, antibiotics sometimes do that. Sometimes do that. Antibiotics dry you out a bit. Because now you need to understand the body how it works.
Family planning one.
Family planning in education because it changes your hormones a little bit. Because most family planning is hormonal. So naye wandibadde otanga child ajasa kunanula bunanuzi nakuze bwobasaza nti genda kukubaka n'akafa k'embalala
ate bakagala bakakuba ne babuluzinga bannabwabatukakuba
ng'omutaka akyazimbye nnyo akaluba
anti bakakubalinda hadon ne batandika
kakube ngali fluffy kola byokola sooka okugiremu awo kasooka kakube nga kali fluffy kasobola okutambula kati nako akakyabali kali mulimu ebika waliwo akaleeta amazzi waliwo akamazisa waliwo akanyumisa waliwo akaleeta amazzi kubanga oba okuba akaleeta amazzi tijja oyagala kuboli dijerebere just otereze okola bw'aba nga alina kubira ebyaffe netunanula binyuma okubako sosokuleeta ng'obanga asawa naye have a flow omusajja omukozi yenga brand gaso have a flow have a pattern akalo have a pattern kati eyo pattern ekuyambako ti flow kati oba okulyako akantu kati tokosa maanyi mangi omuntu abanga ateredde akantu kali sensitive kati avoid the clit head omuntu abanga ali horny ng'omuli mukikola the clit head is very sensitive kati it's irritative oba okava wansi ng'okanyiga bwoti kati olaba omukazi yenyula olowooza anyumira kumbe they're irritated when the woman is horny address the clit from above lukutireko bwoti kati awojja kujja bwoti have a pattern obanga oli gwe Brian semanga let's write your name with a pattern nenga ng'omuntu takalubyenga you understand kati akantu obanga kajerebedde the softer you become the sweeter it gets.
So when do they get to enjoy? Because ndaba binaza bakola kusanyusa
Fabasajja nebinteka mu mawazo I can enjoy mara. You know that puts in your ambit. Outcome. That's for us men. It's either that or that. Sex is much fun when a girl has come. There's nothing for actually enjoying when a girl come. There's nothing much fun. If you not come, the women will say, "But it's not that cut to tell you and you're sexual." So you boy child invest more because friends and everything. I can't even just think about it and come. Can't imagine. Go because it's going to be easier for you. You don't say just no kumalanga guy and you know kwanyambala condom ne mala. Is no kwanyambala condom ne mala. Kat problem ya boy child abasinga. Bakala nyo kutandika sex balezi. What I can't give you up even if the dick is fallen. That would continue doing other things. Kajako sange. Have a cocktail of events. Nze always na jambo abasajja bonna. If you learn the idea of Chinatama, 90% of women, actually almost 85%, their AOL is very sensitive.
Oh, really?
They're very sensitive. But how you handle it, not vandalizing it with your own baton.
What is an AO?
Yeah.
You don't know that?
How you handle it matters. Whatever.
That's why we're never pressing and I would feel.
Go take it there. Cut it. Cut it. Why don't you say something 3D? Cut now. There are three things. When we try to limit doggy, I can use my thumb covering up the whole thing, covering the massaging. You want to warm your water to get up. But what's it? You know what? In the vagina. you want mu AO akukala inokalaba Doreen inokalaba
nkamanya ako kala
ukalaba ukaulida
kamanya
feel it ngoka kwata softly a little bit but take your time. No, I told one guy, you want to learn how to make a workout.
Yeah.
Get one little thing and do it consistently. Just do that. Take time, just do that. Invest time. The crate is not that static, but they aim at that one.
Yeah, that's the only thing.
Matama.
I mean, because it's creativity. We're doing that.
Now cover.
I don't say no. So I would declare because for men are struggling with their manhood. Yes, the art is in everything you have. There's a girl I told. There's a guy they came in and said, "You know, cousin,
Hey!
But you whisper. There's something that teach my God. Pussy whispering. Pussy whispering. What do you mean?
Pussy whispering.
Pussy whispering. Whispering. The anxiety it gets when it knows that someone is looking at you. Like that's okay. You feel a book at home. You feel a book.
Go on the Bina and Bibuji.
What money? Vagina is imaginary. Anxiety a great deal of lava. Cut in 3D version, all child come closer. 3D and get it was something that was a
Yeah.
First of all, one man that age with the balloons, so a lot of come what. Take a little light a camera guy and there's a rough element there. Only I get take a photo. Relax. If I hold it like this once, the body can give you involuntary body movements. Cut this little pinky finger. Again, I'm ringing it a little bit. Now this time, let it be on your little plate. Let it vibrantly, slowly, then you have a flow and come out. Have a flow and come out. Like, if you do this flow for just 20 minutes, because sex is, give it time, invest time.
You all
that enjoyment I want.
And that is a Mugambi. My job is I want to make you calm. My way, not your way. Because a lot of times you dialogue with the women who know only one way or
this is it.
Kati ate weyagalira gukalwe gukuone nga gwamaze dala katobe nyweza nga bambi chagonze da kati nonyiga. Yet we're talking about creativity for boy child. But obudde weka kasa omuzinda alo nti musobera for 30 to 40 minutes.
Yeah.
Bwabanga tukoze for bulungi. You need 5 minutes or 10 and others come. If you know what you're doing.
Yeah.
Like to the point.
Me, I prefer romance more than the
romance oyo you know between stages of men. Eri abasajja abakuzeekuzeemwe ayagala agwete nga gukyayokya. Suppose wait 30 minutes before she gets ready.
Yeah.
You know one of the boys and I can't wait to ready. Akakana kala kwa kutekekete kwa kukanonye sente. Kajate kai will follow me into the kanyo step on nika tenge ngode. Na yabo wasija ayagala eyo change chayo cha kuteke mojo ule. Katukuza romance wa 30 minutes.
Akuwa.
Kuja kufa watu atenga tuteko lako.
Yeah.
Eliyo mtu anaite yeko lako.
Yeah.
Manje ilikuwa budde omchiro ogwe. Nokusabira nako.
Tulina kusabira.
Often I do massaging with a bit. I have a gel called and tango gel. No massaging on board.
No saba.
ngabojigamba bona kwako yana.
So even we ladies are supposed to be praying for our
But okay, this is just about a mantra and how we believe. It's basically positive affirmation.
Yes.
There are people who are very good at what they
So when you're washing it down, what do you do? You just wash.
Why would I talk to it?
No, it is living.
It's living, breathing.
So
Why would I talk to it?
Tell it.
So we're going out.
It is there. Says.
I don't know how to be of us.
What's the go?
No,
No, you get no
Kama nsaba nenjinaza nganera katugobera abo bala cha
Njira ya mazinga please kasa you still breathing.
Ajikwa na nai. Bado kukwata. Don't get to the fire.
Yakani.
mwana sijogera. The standard prayer.
Ajikwa mya. But ideally,
Era njikutula kebikoligo.
Okay.
Mara nesabira omukisa. Nti so that somebody
ngabosabana najingira
yes afuna omukisa. You know when no abajingira. Nasirana so mbera
nasabira emikisa.
Shwaji be very careful. Simara ushenge.
Ayo kwogera kana omukazi we namugizeewo ne bandomera.
Nemara nyongerako nekali.
Akano.
Follow me.
Eyo kubeera ngikola ki?
Eruoma.
Unjo.
Ngemima.
But you need to pray.
But it's true.
Kugambye gwe tunagamba. Okimanyi eri amazzi agatawamu. Water.
There's water.
Ng'onywa amazzi nga
Ngagagawoma gali more expensive. Akasagala gogera
tetukola kala. Naye kino eri amazzi nga tegawoma.
Yes.
Eriyo ne chai nga bamufumbe ne gatawamu. Nze nno omukozi eryo nga Brian. Ani ekisibo waffe. Bawulira amanya okuda mufumba chai. Bambi omukozi wange afumba chai. My maid cooks. Nagenda munyako ne kiki ddala what's there? Just fumba chai mukalu. Omukozi yafumba chai wakati nagamba yafumba chai yona. Naka na mami chai mbeeko tumwe naka. What does that mean? There's a vibration you emit up there when you're giving out to Janjara. A lot of women think, oh, where That's
what they think.
Yeah, that's what they say.
Even trash can speak. Nasasira. But we to get up warm. Woman, you know, said that warm. They're there and I
was told.
Have you ever kissed someone and didn't go? Not even because they did not mean because of all, but in the same month. Then no kissing her was no longer. Right.
The lips are sweet.
Just I'm position. Yes, it and our penis is like it has a taste bud. It's only one all come and one of those squad or all those money. One child and Saja and quarter. I don't want to recover. Chanako said, I've been home for 10 years. No more deco. I'm going to go on. Was that? No, you said you see the gratitude.
What?
Sabira akantu ko
kasabire nga kino kina frigorito. Omanyi frigorito? Manyi ebintu bisponje batulira mu appliances ebya wati. Twali meketangenda nga toto. Nizi kiwoma kya. There are women who are like that. Eliana chalanga n'ekituli kyabwe kiri just kituli.
Nga leno corners.
Batulira ekisenge y'omwana gw'enyengo olyanga ali mu bisenge amalanga n'entambula gy'otambuzamu ekigambo. Nze nkimanyi abakazi eri abawoma n'abatawooma.
Era nonagaye muno most women tebawoma era nze what I do after that I block you.
Omuntu okuleka
Why don't you tell me?
Men are naturally not teachers.
Then you go and backbite. You know, government do it a woman.
That's why abakazi bananga bbiri bafuna obuzibu bafuna chance. Nti byongoze ebibi. Ono bimba mu mwana bimunyumiza kati mba mu notes. olabe bakaya baby olaba ndimufombo naye ono mchana wangu bakaya namba kutaona zimukalkaina mazzi ande kandidata njagala emirembe katolanga kola notes. That's why we because men are not teachers, but they know Gamba in a different manner.
Oh yeah.
Takugamba kizimuto because they expect you to know. Ila ufuna ngomsaje naka Doreen. Yendo sike kumfuti. Doreen yongera mazi. Doreen yongera kwa kusenga omanya kwagala.
Really?
Men can marry you now to take out. No, what it's generally. The other thing I keep telling a lot of women, because we have a test bag, when we are in your tijanja, we sip out of it. Memories that we pour in it, but we sip out of it. 3 things that happen to us men when we are tijanja. When you're not doing the then because I woman, not going to speak it out. There are people who are very sweet.
Okay.
One,
William Ebisanyi.
Ebisanyi kutambulira mu
cameraman yakonye.
Yeah, muyange nchikusokola. Even after the sex,
No gaba wablo woma.
No dayo. Kakati fa abakyala basinga mostly abali married. Ngane mwela bila kwefa.
Okay.
The same thing happens to men because I think men are married. Okola to play Ebisanyi kutandika bila intention. And what do you mean the Jew message janja? Nabagamba ko lumu ojukira ina kama ntekeso kalinga nkoko. Kalinga nkoko chicken. Botokosa. Ekimai badiria. Botokosa za nosali sale mu kutunga. Oma. Bwana ngakuli ntokosa nempito wona namba chicken tikka masana. Ngendo oli tina namba chicken lollipop. Oli namba
Chicken barbecue.
Chicken barbecue.
The grilled, crunchy, jack chicken.
Sizzling chicken.
Oh.
There now, Coco. At it will hold over on pan to possible. Baby, can you eat boiled chicken every day?
No.
You get nauseous because the soup make it. Katambanga what dog want to cause a bump to what baby Bina. Now, sizzling here. Then come one.
Oh, sure.
I believe that as a woman, your job is to discover. I know sex way I think I cooked food no one.
Yeah.
Why the phone yet?
Yeah, no gala bino byo wapi.
I
know, right?
Katufa abali bamemutusasi. Abali mutusasi.
Yes.
Nzize nompe kitokose. Kate mbadde nzungeme just neba mu accident ya chicken tikka. Kate ontani kugamba we nzize wa chicken tikka banjiranja.
Njira ku boil.
That's why badi gani balekawo. Olona na finger licking good. So one thing I remember one time is this girl. She came 7 years ago. I've done therapy for 10 years now. 10 years now because I started like way 2014. Omukyala my brain. Si woman. Mbukiri much to what do I do to make it better? No, I'm not inquiring to woman. I didn't tell me to Kati see there's a consistency that's different. Metallic. What do you use?
Metallic. Jesus.
Yeah, what you wear to metallic pussy.
Wow.
She said, remember, let's start being intentional.
Yeah.
For me, we don't what we do ebireeta. All see to money, baby. All money we see.
Yeah.
Oh my God, rose pear. You know rose pear?
Yes.
Oh, licorice.
Yeah,
Licorice.
7 sweets.
Inakuwa yako kati n'ogaayo.
Oh, licorice kalungi.
Never ogaayo later. Ngoma zo gaayo.
Yeah.
Kati n'ogaayo yako n'osigayo. Kati wamu tukateeka mubisi bw'ebintu tutahani vibe. Kati tulinayo ka cannabis oil tukakola n'omutango.
Cannabis oil.
Mulina wali wamuyita follow me. Osigayo okagigwamu yamanya. Nti nabeera nga afulutira okwo. One thing that I will tell you to ring. Akasobola bakakolako. Eriyo
njaga bashinyega munza omulwere nga Brian nakyo simulabako
agambye ojja kukola ebirala bingi ebiri neighboring faka hani abeera bwamusiiga eddakiika bbiri naye emuzindala gulinganga lulina olulimi nga guluwoomereza munaye what wekoze wala omukyala gulaga nakasola namahusband doesn't go down on me nsaayi nanga Brian bajja bonna This guy doesn't do down on me. Brian. I'm working in Zonga. I'm going to jump to that. She had come to work. I remember. I'm going to go to storage. I'm going to go to party. I'm going to Kabie.
Kabie?
But you know what ugly pussy is?
You're kidding.
Kabie.
You're kidding.
Why don't I get chikere chikade?
Katonda wange. Sichiraba akakole kyemanyi chikere kina.
Na china be rough
Richie.
Era sekushavinga ngena mu mpamyo what to do to be at a certain age bracket one be there for vehicle. Kuze move 45 plus leave the air off. Zama VVV at least was can't. This can part number chini. Cut works it off fully. Cut on the ends of works in I sola kabi. Matanya never goes up a picture solo kuchilia. Goes over kuchilia. Right. I put the mirror then that camera can go already a car. Do you remember? Can you beat this? Now, baby, I can't. But this is money. But ideally, you take a picture of it now. But when you get home, take a picture of it. Admire it.
I take a photo. What, yeah? I decided never will I ever.
The same
way. Like how you get into your kids and then you get back.
The pad back and all that.
Yes. So it happened and I wanted to find out where. Because the doctor had given me medication.
To apply around.
Mama, then I took a picture. Oh my God.
What is that? This is not me.
Katino gweno inaka pad back. Ili wafuna ash element wala mumpami mungu ze chijanja wala ash. Kati mundu atakula nga wavawata huvu. Kati nokuwaliwa padbank. Kati dala bayale padbank. Kati no mukabine nga jimutalaba. Ngena mfuka black. Fawa modogi fetu manye chibari. So ideally for boy child I name Zubie, but all the time it's about energy. It don't matter about energy. Tell you something like plans. Money or no, the man 4 rounds. Only 1 round.
1 round.
No get boy child mtamanela now ina ndio boy child babo na bana. So remember I'm a believer. You man, when you're doing your job, learn to tell the woman what you want also.
Yeah.
Togaya mwana wabandi.
Okay, yeah.
I think we need to share.
Because also women, but taking the offense.
Yeah.
But most men care about how you're feeling. For example, I tell many girls, never ask a man what to do with your vagina. When you call it cholos and cheto. Tobuza msaja, should I pull, baby? Tobuza msaja, do you want water? Bwana natoina mazingo ni mukala. Jaga baby, it's okay, don't worry. But they want to at your echo. I mean, break it down. Baby, so ideally, do something to feel comfortable in your body. Doreen. Because that's the picture he had of you. Of the boutique. Everyone has their own mindset.
And why are you telling us not to ask them?
No, this is what you need to understand. When you get dating,
Do what makes you happy, literally.
Make yourself happy.
Yeah.
But when I feel I'm going to take it to you own. But I'm not teaching such a girl. I'm going to go to this. Nega chotalina chikore. And there's this one girl, she's been married for like 7 years. Randomly guy nega namdam. Baby, this sex way your sex is the worst I've had. After 7 years of marriage.
Yeah, mama.
Your sex is the worst I've had. Yes, can I sada it's a month now. So I know your sex is the worst I've had. Shout out to you. Najana was a bride. Inside my sex is the worst I've had. To call it to Chawan.
It's hearty.
Katujula wangu kuzema katuwasi katufulie bana 90% of kusikafuli chikasa kwa mkazi Bina bogazi yetu nanka boti nze zijendie when you're wet and horny your vaginal mucus mixes with your red zone kati bogazi ya wote ngatakuli binaka bikao mwenzi tu akulia mtunulia zi vaginal mucus ne red. It's not nice to look at. Never boy nazi nezibika. Let my tongue open binabeleleyo zibikukazoka.
Pulira.
Kakati fara sanja abatambulide mu kijanja for a while. But that bit mu kijanja because they want to be someseza tubirabye iriyo mwana bosanga ngogamba bana simama we mama we muweyo chi mongerechi.
Nanochikiriza.
So for us we have a tendency to go ogambo boy child yeta ko kusomesa. Nebiyo no mwana go tukonga tayena kogesa ngakoleka. ngawa amaanyi.
Ngawa kumaanyi.
Abasajja bajja nagapayinza kakoyi nali manyi simanyi sexy. Omukazi wakatanfuna kudda akaana olukayira emotoka onyeko nzi negayiika. Amazzi negayiika.
Abeera aguze eboni.
Abaana abantu beekola lwaki bwogera nga tolina eboni. Sex bwakwekolako baby. Nga bwogera ku matano nsiiko omwago Doreen. Ekyo ne wakisiizeeko okiteera.
Tewali.
Vaseline ate kalikosi funayo medical olive oil ogimassage oba coconut oil okamassagingeko oba cannabis kafollow me osiige mu kijanjalo it moisturizes it feels good about it kera ng'owulira sex anyuma nga naye tebagenda okukola owulira obiyagala that's why abewaka omukwatako tayagala kali akaana kazekeetezi whatever you do with yourself, it's up to you, baby. But when I tell you, I actually look cool at the results. I'm saying, I'm going to be a brain. She had a word to go. Mommy ain't in the Lord, too. I'm not saying about the story. Because I'm not the towel. The towel don't have any start with it. But just to get a muscle. No, but I'll be towel. On one hand, I just mba bino betuzanyisa abaana b'Ekampala n'ogira mu katono w'otutani mwana ata kama ansukira
ekyogolesa tawulo
yategeera nti mama tembadde ngenda mu kikulu. What am I trying to tell? Man, sex for us men is like a party experience. Ogenda mu kapate a lot of fireworks, it is squatting, a live band, that's a good orgasm.
Ooh.
But remember, you don't squat, there's no orgasm. Boy child in Nasasira.
But isn't the boy child also supposed to make some noises or say something? Or whatever people bring about.
I have a beautiful voice. I use it. Engage him. What was it? To dance.
Hi, babe.
Darling.
How you feeling?
Oh, it was good. That's what you're doing.
Okay.
Wait.
Are you comfortable?
To do that way I'm doing? You want it? You want to spit it? Tuli ngai bose ya fendo botandisa kati kwacho eyagala mwana bakaza baseka not valley conversation.
Yeah.
They just make noises. The boy child don't sit down.
What the boy no?
Yes, jage.
Abera nimbe abera nzite
I'm be engaging.
Abera nzite wa.
Don't be too Babie telling man. Memuka ntoka omzee kayogera. Gomubuze byoyagala ayogere. Kati nga obadombuza.
I engage him.
Start the conversation. Like well, you know, kati nange mbera nga kati wanongole ki. Nga ataka kukwata mu.
Bale kuwa vibe.
Vibe kama vibe singa I mean number flow. But kulekana okukuta nange ne kukutuza jwa because olekana. Mbona mukaza aliva batama. Nzede one time I tried. Kulekana kuina pata yako ne kulekana bela. Ideally we believe mbuza tandika okwengageka because it's about teaching each other. N'abasajja batalina foreplay muyingize how to do foreplay. Then nicyo kisinga okukolera.
When a man whispers and talks to me,
akati tandika okusembera omunyweza
talk to me.
Kati
You feeling okay?
Wabanga you are foreplay Doreen.
Never.
The way I look at you, the way I look at your boobs, it's like a small nako. Ndele koka honey.
Please.
Baby, before you go to the baby, start with the
Please.
Because movement anatomies, they use their mouth instead of their tongue. Instead of their tongue. So because honey is sticky, or baby when they get all palate of the tongue. And just imagine the tongue move in, but they put it. Move. But I get a mark honey oil.
Nga movement
engeri watanze dokuteera. So we are
watandika kuleka na kwa depends yange.
Have you had Why Men Marry Bitches? Have you read that book, Why Men Marry Bitches?
No, I've never read it.
Try reading it. And the concept in there is they're go-getters. They're not imbued. Because I was saying I'm more sidikira. Kati wotona ya boy child vibe to relate out.
Oh, so it's also not with secretary.
Tandika wembeera. Abaziriza mu maaso.
Another one.
Bibi omanyi
Naye oyogera Bina.
Agamba mukikoze ekya. Awanga mukikoze. Rumble some funny words. Just rumble some words.
What you say good day?
I decided the one name kukajanga byaye. By the way, I told most of the men. But one going to go try boy, no one that they can run you about the minimum. I know pattern a required. Child get the child get the little. Told you about the minimum. You call it, you know, too many become to be. You don't know what to say. So when you get on your mind,
is the same thing. What they know, what they cheating, what they child.
Me, I really struggle so hard to look. Like a mass of Simani Gaga, no, I was really.
I want to go over the Nuzi.
I was to Nulene, but
I was a big guy. I cut it one day, one. What did you do? Mukuzi is a poor.
And I get into another world.
But why you get into another world? You subconsciously see things beyond money. Or you get another money. So you run your sex and that's you can tell.
Oh.
But all you know is you can't be a gamble. I can't get that.
No. Also, one day I didn't get you. You as a woman. You as a woman. Okay. You also want to make him helpless. Kakati wabanga oli kumuzinda bakumide bideto kwata.
Ate bide man be a big vibe.
Nenda kwata ko omuntu abaleze onokwata ku bide. Biduma.
Biduma. I thought like if you caress them.
Be very cool. Sendo bole de beto ina bide. Nzabi ina. Be very cool. Wesigala kumuzinda lo. Oja kwata manda, why is it sorting? So for us, we believe that sex for you to enjoy sex, mainly you boy child, one, be confident and communicate your flow.
Okay.
I just have a flow plan. To be under English. To mind dako.
Yes.
Because you're a guy, I get the grant. Oh, because I'm a mathematics, but I do 6 rounds. Remember, 6 rounds is that. 6 rounds is that. Because I'm going 6 rounds and every wine get up. Every minute, it can come 5 times in 1 minute.
I think we won.
And Katobango in a problem your home. Call a joking, massage. So for like a meat, not a
I know it's a good thing for one to be warm.
Your warmth is okay, but for a man who cannot control. One thing we see the whole. Now, so come back to now, woman, you are, you have no control. Any would have but the thing is, it can be a pattern. 6 rounds, in the space of 2 minutes, we know what's good, brother. May I come once? Once is enough. Because that semen we lose as men. The fact outside they call masturbation, they get confused. Because every time you release your semen, you're losing energy. 36 rounds of lost energy. The energy you've lost. Yes. That's why we talk about retain semen. Semen retention helps you look younger, have a flawless skin, beautiful beard, concentration of hair, over you hold your semen. Katumala gumu, buliruzina, sorry, buliruzanya, malamulungu. Maybe see that enjoy yourself because
then you retain it.
Retain it. But most men, the moment they enter,
they want to come.
Women ngamala, no. Katuwango o malama.
Malamulungu gumu then.
Jibere mo jivem. Ujizanjire kebana. And kata uchitegeza and I know bigger how to deal with control. Do your kegels. If you don't have a strong dick, do kegel exercise.
Oh, kegel.
The more you do your kegels, but I'm in charge of the control flow.
Yeah.
So I come when you want. Goes around you can maybe stay. Maybe you start there.
Wow.
First round it can be as quick. The rest learn capacity married. But the rest just learn how to do your kegels. Kegels one.
Yes.
As a man, you also do that. Every time you're even driving, you can be okay. But once your dick becomes stronger and firmer, tuyoteoke nkozesa abakazi abasinga waliwo bagamba njagala okuntunga nguwulira gye buliringa yabayamaze kati nga kalebeera tekakaluba bulungi how to have a mukira okukaluba guwe what it feeds on. Eat healthy, nakusoda nakuli chips and chicken nosanga omusajja omukulu nga ordering chips and chicken. Where is the energy for your sex there?
So when a man is going to have that beautiful girl, watch that healthy food, right?
Yeah, watch the yakukulumon. Have a banana, have an egg. Whatever looks like it, eat it. The egg looks like a balls, eat. Yeah. Avocado looks like a balls, eat. Tomatoes look that way, eat. Onions do, eat. Take some garlic and honey. When you put garlic and honey, it gives you more blood flow. Depends on the blood flow. You know, when you put garlic and honey and you swallow it, it doesn't smell that.
It doesn't smell down there.
No, if you don't want it to smell, you take some tamarind juice or you lick some tamarind. It doesn't smell in your mouth.
And then down there, because they say
the zinc comes more from pumpkin since my name is CK. Borianga and CK, you just do it for sweetness. Even the genus the same. Walnuts, cashew nuts, even when they are raw from flax seeds are very healthy for your zinc. Cassava, the raw one increases your semen production. We don't have you know that some men want dry because they eat healthy. They take yogurt. Yogurt is good for them.
That comes like it was too much.
Even bongo you can. When you eat bongo, whatever you eat reflects sex to mulira please. There's nothing natural about sex unless it's subconscious.
Today my mind after a long day's work. Do they have to have sex? But I'm told they don't.
The best was that they never have sex with Lunako, but I would advise sex on a regular.
If you're married,
I would advise.
Oh, if you're married, you would advise sex on a regular.
For example, I'm a free person, but inside my wife is different because she's a busy person. She works. But compassion. That's why we woman otege mukwano gwe you understand naye nawe mukazi omukwano oli busy guli naye si muganda kati Bina guli naye si muganda minimum abasajja tutaga a week 3 times at least
kati afuna atya energy wakola kisa yatugamba tiwaliwo omukazi lwakugamba ng'olabira ddala ne kiisa ejjanga luyi
exactly
naye kikola
naffe tukowaamu it's understandable
because people like King Sarah spoke for bakola batya.
This is what you understand we do. Woman kati no musala. Tosa muleka week in number. For week in number is a big in a week. Ngaza kukapasa. Women, if a woman loves you, and always once a week is good.
Is enough.
Is enough. Okay. Once a week is enough. Kati funayo better intentional. Ngaboli mu microphones okingisa ha. Bakutaweyo kajusa kali mu mulondo wali. Sugar cane juice with blonde. You're charging yourself.
Yeah.
Bobango inaku. And guacho juice. Money guacho juice is also very good.
Guacho juice.
Just getting guacho juice and blend it.
Yeah.
Guacho juice, blend it with blonde. So that it's about knowing what to do. It's basically not paying attention to the simple details.
Yeah.
But when you are whiskey, when the whiskey are cousin. That's why when you take a glass of whiskey, take a liter of water.
Hey! Kati mulimu bano nga they have partners nga bali irritable. Irritating, like they irritate them by yombi, now with also the kids around. Kati always otia mu mood.
Ntiweza mood mkazi muyombi. Mana mkazi muyombi atama, wale partner muyombi anyisa. Ewa, chicha yombela. Just don't shoot the kuyomba person before you know what to shoot yombi. Okay. Hizo banga nzo wala message don't cheating up on our message. Atena people kula. They are men who cheat with impunity.
Okay.
You know what?
True.
Whatever you do, it's up to you.
You know I'm cheating. I don't.
Ngatari remorseful. nga nokulaga olwomukazi abana akuba esimu asooka waliwo omukazi abakazi balina omusajja mbadde n'agikwata n'agamba mu luganda eginema I'm coming. This one is not, food is bad. Nga buli kyakola kyogere but the woman is frustrated kati omuntu tomusuubira kufa kupanda sex mulungi nagambako omusajja omu omukazi gwakunyiiza ngwaba akunyizizza naye nga gwoyagala mumukwate lwampaka ekyo gweoba onyiize wadde onyiize ojja kumpa
nga mukwata omusajja byampaka
wadde onyiize empaaka okimanyi binyuma gwe mugambe wadde onyiize
byabagamba bituufu nti abakazi naffe literally tubeera nga not rape, should I say literal air quotes osobola okurepinga bbaawo ng'akumye
abasajja ekizibu kye tulina wadde twebasa tuyima gumulekeyo wala owenza okukanga bandi
ogenda kumpi
waba yebase gikwate munaisa abasajja osobola n'okulega nga webase ngoli mutulo
nekola ebyange noyimukakuba ekiro nga akuliko ekiro
ogenda osukanga nziza owenza okukanga bandiko wabanga oli oyagala nga bakumye wala omukazi gwe nagamba kakodyo bakumye anyiize gutumufaako naye nasholedde akantu kakaleeta amazzi agamala okinamu okikudomu engala osikina ebibyo nga yawe yebase nadange otumanya ate atunula domu engala nakati osikina ebintu nga wagikubamu osikina azanawereka nga bamusamba kene bali nga wagikuba obanga oli mufuso omufukireko katono zikuba engalawe agiwombesa naye oyinza okubanga nawe gyokubamu nkalu otekubamu nga nkalu so gitegeke otupemogera nga mufukireko obanga oli mufuso otupemu nga mumwansukireko mukoleko efunjo kwako kumusajja efunjo oli mukoleko efunjo
when you have kids around
yatabali mubisenga babeerayo
nati mugamba preparing waliwo yatugamba mbiyo wasooka
mukubira essimu ng'akyalina ku mulimu emisana lagabegitudde
everyone has a psychology there. It's psychological. Kisinzira omuntu gw'oli naye omukyalo olumu ng'agenda akwata akuba the chest n'aliweereza gaali nagawo Are you okay?
Sit you my boo.
Are you okay? What is this?
This is a boo.
You have to know the person you're with because I don't make you know your name. And you are telling them move them married for too long.
Yes.
But the only conversation they have is amata. Yaka. Yaka. Like monosyllables. Yaka. Amata. Yaka. Wamazi. The way we told us. Rice.
You're right. Bana school fees.
Headmaster. Shopping. That's the conversation you have. One of those is just us. This one, I was in a group of women in Bagamba. When it was intentional. Type in a message, say, a lot of men will leave. Thank you for staying. I'm happy I have you. Brian, are you sure? You said it was a group of women. Message is like that. Are you okay? Me, I have no money. Some men are like, I have no money. That means men are not used to nice things.
Yeah.
We go through a lot.
Affirmations.
That means men have left. Thank you for staying. I'm proud I have you.
But I don't know.
Most men was like,
are you okay?
You okay? Was this meant for me? It's basically, it shows how men, how people have got used to that kind of environment. Well, I'm going to be playful. When is the message? Don't be understand. Well, I'm going to be funny. Call up back in the table. One column. Muchimo umuvuge kanto bino muloti. Funa mama kwa we better can go back. Mtoni ko muloti. Everything the time back. Once in a while move back off. Because one of the things we have to know, create one day in a month. That's for madness.
Okay.
One day.
In a month, if you're a married couple.
Akabanga goli mukasi nawe suggesting ako tobera goli ndabika sera. Suggesting ako.
Okay.
Because most men are busy running after money.
Money and stuff, yeah.
I can't be suggesting hold on there.
So there? To get that forward, let me have, I made some reservations somewhere.
I need to be to call about or commander.
Mwana, the second side chick.
Or commander. The same things as men too. There are things you don't do to your woman. There's a guy who said, Bands. Ndikachizo mugwakeyo ekimukole ebitali bya bulijjo jajjabola agamba mwana mume yamubyemu omutuli yamubyemu omukutu because the other guys do for vandalization naye kolayo vandalization obanga oli musajja nga tokyankalanyanga nkombeera kuuza kiki ekyawadewe funayo olunaku nywayo kathuira naye akawatuzakata thuira kanywemu ng'ogenda omubeyo gwasooka. Because we are in a generation where a lot of people don't appreciate what they have until it's gone.
Until it's gone, true.
I want to ask bulijjo munnange mutaka nawe juza byewandi mukoze bimukole kati.
Since the moment I love that.
Mukoleke effujjo. There's a guy who came to me and around, what is nice? Mukyala wange, she's not that type. She's too serious. Okay, she's a doctor. Olunaku oyagala kumukole ebinagamba what are you doing? Nasooka kwa prescription now.
Hey!
That's saliva. It's saliva. Get some mouthwash after eating. Ngabi tuliko ebyo. Mga mani mukwate muswende.
Yoga today. Please today.
Mukoleke fudde omunune n'omulwamu.
You're my prisoner.
Bw'okoowa wano wako emunune ne buli kitundu. Nune. Usisikeseko abaana uzubeke empi. Get one day of madness.
I got a one day of madness.
It is up to you. We could get rosa, but let me tell you, there's a guy who came to me but for some reason I thought she was not the type. This guy said I was looking for her all over the place. Nze nga ekinyenza kufuna ku mazzaala bagamba kugenda mu pornography era sinagafunako katonda kulumu nembuza mukyala nangamba yagala kankulage nankulaga atotolet kasi batandika nasanakojekuba nankugaduwe you also have it like from that day I saw a different kind of woman. Yeah, because for you always rushing. Take time, relax. But you never like be mad, be confident. Omukazi yamubira amazzi nagakuyira mu kifuba nakakogana amaso.
Now I think we are different. But what I got is too much.
Once in a while, be the mad one. Or we will talk about Muveko. Look at him and the weak one. Get like memory. 3 things I'll say to take care of your cousin. How dry you are, how loose you are, how you smell. How dry you are. When Vanga Wadem cousin, when they come bruise one, Kayo Jankas, Kanaka coat, Musla Uba, one Wadem Kalo. One Mugazi does the cause of the Sayanga Bone, one million number. Not them money in Mala. Sinatra is the same track. Going up with you. The last week is out of going to speak. I can't young baby, Canada. I'm going to go. I'll put them and so ideally, pretend that I am. So now you know in Australia. Oh, you have if it is named.
Which is the ability. And then the way we smell.
The way you smell. When Bina and I did,
wow.
I'll smell like you for the rest of the day. But you know, I smell exactly how you smell.
No, it happens with us when you pour your Siemens in us.
Also me, when I am on you, Nancy, ironically, some men smell you immediately. What we matoman. But also, when I go to Pinins now, I'll smell a bit like you smell.
Really?
Yes. Kati say I sing about what I can kiss na kasura kama kana amen muna wanyo usoro ntawnya
so fanga bugire
so munya nga kasura ndo so le bela so le fena tawnya nga fena ina ko
ai twale ri
so le fena nga tawnya nga fena
no mane gara ndiye nga yefene
pikati ni na ko ina kunya na ajanga ruwa ko ngubule dodo wango kakutemo na wala ga imeti bela nga kwata kukire
baba
I'm going to put it.
Don't watch out.
I know that. nze n'omusajja yangamba yagendanga n'agaakira ku bakyala b'emmere n'omusajja mukulu ng'akkirireyo wansi eyo ng'avayo kasawo omukazi awunyawunya kakulira ava agemye That's an aphrodisiac to most men.
I know, but
Manyumiza ku story y'omukyalo omusajja menga Brian having sex with my wife. I have a group of men, it's called the Bachelor's Crew.
yeah.
The top men. Most of them married people call it that. Tell me a number, Brian. Because having sex with my wife became a joke. And she's venting. Did you brush? Did you shower? Yeah. Because the nigga and the movies and the ring camera. But one day, months and the movie, I saw the devil. The devil came. He held me by the hand. And I did. I had to get. When my TV room over, I went to put the wife in the maid's room. The devil took me to my maid's room. And I woke up. Such a number. Brian. As if the girl was waiting for me. Nakwata mwingi ekintu kibisi. Ekini ekiti ky'omunyamunya. Nakwata mwingi ekintu kibisi. That is the best sex I've ever had all my life.
You're kidding.
That thing is different. It's a thing.
So we shouldn't shower.
Wash, body wash.
Even on the
Your
wall.
natural body odor is a turn for most men. Kati mumudamu nabe eyo mukazi yadde those things ntananga owunya ko omusajja kulala naye n'akawo kaayo kalala kawo ko katonda yakakola kati omukazi nali munaka ebitogedde kyayagala bikola kasolo tekawunya nakasolo egami antukin I don't like that nanga buli mulala bagera kulekawo kala kantu kanya kawowo nze mbatidde lero tonaaba igezesa kankuwe fine olunaku lubanga okwekoye nga okwewa n'ogigaba tonaabye ebeera wet quickly you get wet quickly bw'oginabamu amazzi ga tap ate ekala mangu you need more time ate that's why kana akekiro kumoja 11 oza bakikaawoma nnyo eba yaboobedde akawo kali ne kavaayo ebisengere biweereza okanyumiza akawo akoze kanyikaagala yakati akawunyirizaako nze my crazy babe momtande mad
yensobola okusa naye kintama kukussa ogenda okulaba nga
that's why it needs this is how I am odikatayambaliranga mask
no, you're not horny.
That's how natural it's supposed to be. But when you go to the ofuna ka why don't go to ngo so.
Ndambe chinkola naye tebijja.
Tibajireke toyamba basale.
Katika ne wakati no kupata baga ngo kutebele waka.
But
nakumuleke jelebere.
So
kumulimumeleka sina mpale kwa
they are free. They get down to say let the pussy breathe. Kakati nzenga. Tufawa ndo banaki.
Tunakugenda tuna 5 minutes. Does, as a sex therapist, does sex really, since you always talk about sex, I know it really helps, does it really save marriage?
If your bed is not shaking, your marriage will shake.
I don't know. If your bed is not shaking,
your marriage will shake. Your bed has to shake. It shakes through sex. Pussy creates bonds.
No, I understand.
Yes. So, if you the day your marriage, the day your sex dies, marriage will return to your fine.
Really?
The day you feel like you're not sexy anymore, the day you feel like he's not attractive to you, the day you feel like you don't want to have sex with him anymore, that's when the marriage starts shaking. It's Muganda.
ati nga mugamba nenga kiri mu byagamba gwe kumanyi ogenda kukuta batonera bine kati how do I remember
nga twagala mufaako ye kati muyigirize nti asooka akajira akake akuwaako
kati after nkunoonya after 3 weeks nembeera kyakuze
ono wa timetable ky'oba omalira
kati olaba
sex
I don't know like no nze njogera kituufu the truth of the matter is like when I have very good sex
kikutwaliriza akadde
and kikugamba what timetable
then ekirala if totwali tuli mu relationship nja kubawo n'okuweereza mu message wemaze kuweereza
abatimetable babeera different people oba same person
same person
wakugamba this week Monday Monday wetuuka ngaali
bize kubeera bize kola bibyo ekintu kireke kitambule
kati oluusi kibeera
It's mental. Take it out now. Every orgasm is a ring away.
every orgasm is a rainbow away so
You want to
ringo gegeze
katika janja
Bina got timetable. Then you talk about communication, she doesn't communicate. You are in a relationship, she doesn't communicate. You can send her a message and you tell her after 1 week.
I'm in a relationship.
This is
a relationship.
We are friends.
Yeah, it's a relationship still.
Okay. In a real relationship, I'm still like,
It's Hey! Tunabera ku sex all the time.
baba wakuse musango muzindalo ajire ogende
mbere sikyayagala
agwe ebitabakuwa kuligwe munyenye ogende
nkugambye embeera sikyagala olwamera mpunyira zizi paka nga nanze
Because I know communication can be a relationship. Communication can be a relationship.
For us, no man can live with a woman that tumuwako. Umuwako lero ngafuna abayambi. Because for us we live on sex. It also depends on the age bracket. Omwana musajja ali 30 above, gwe ngomala weeks after omwaddeko bakulimba. Ayina muyambako. There's a girl here was telling me we are in a long distance relationship. My man works there. Era come after 6 months. Nga means olimba.
Takulinze tebili.
Takulinze tebili yo. Aina babanga twayi bachala anyenya.
Checho.
Kanatenze chemanyi kubasajja. Bakazi bangi abachala bato abasajja bato. In my inbox of Infinia I have like over 30 women. This week, month alone.
Kati awulia tulaba zinesawa. Obo ino mwagara ngali wa 33.
30 and above. Which is sex.
Kati nga shikiriza mu age bracket ya budget zinesawa. Dodo nga wa.
Oyino muwe ekigambo buli lukase.
Kati bajabu inde.
Yetaga buli.
That is 33 years. Sichecho up to 40.
Hold on.
Kati wano dodo achalinze.
Mbu sex has to be every day.
Regular.
Okay, kati watutuka ku 40 and above.
40 and above, I over yabayita bya sex buli luna.
Bali banyaka.
No, prostate bwana yetaga okunyenya. Sexual confidence abasajja bakulu. Zina lunaku netumala nnyo.
Your sex retention go over so 40 don't
don't overcome.
50
funa omwana nga ategeera kibayita okumassaging prostate area akunumunanga like obeera mu tantric orgasm all the time tantric orgasm all the time 50 and above ofunayo akaana katonga sikakulinza waliwo wegala nga kukalwa nnyo wegala bakutulekaawo kyawe eyo kama ntali kuba kali wetu wadda kubakadde dakiika 3 ng'omuwe weta nga kagenda jukira 50 and above okukwima kwa kutega eba kako kanze be okuja kwanga ali healthy nga yerabirira omusala nga bandi kayoli bambi time naye obaye kwatira kwa mpolo gara kanze nokatulako so bambi temuli abana babandi
Bina, please. Bina, nonya ali from 30 and above togenda kuba 50 Bina.
What about person? You know, regular sex.
50 and above.
Regular sex. Draws,
50 and above, go with it.
no, regular sex draws menopause away.
Regular sex.
Early menopause. There's a woman I know. She's 69. And I'm going to call her at 59 naniga. Emale emyaka nga munana nga tebankola. From 45 awo bakyangana. Kati ku 52 manja okupira. Ebinsi wasiwa akana kangwana ka 40. Akana nemba kukana.
Nasobola okukola
16 and then bigger kasira nchakala. The more you grow, the more you give sex, the more you need sex.
That works for men, not women.
The men can't usually go down, but women goes high if you're healthy and if you love yourself. I was never more chawa.
I know.
I was saying it's because of way chayi. Ne omuntu omulamu gabe chichanja abapili.
Sorry, she did that. Doreen Nasasira
chikankana mutwale I'm not horny mutwale define
Okay, you know about
Hey yo, ulaba sasa nako nzetola bazane gayo.
Kalimu cocktail. Kale thank you so much. Mujatu kwasaganya amajanja. Wala bekole ko bambi.
How?
Take care of yourself. Akasolo kafanda bidida. Fikiria kwa nini won't give you what you want. Mimi wana kugoba ngo mwana mtu akasolo chiduka. Mumuli penzi. Doreen.
Well, when I told like 20 and above, right?
Wako nyo chichanja. Even you we know child.
Sinchali mutora.
Because the way kukwana.
Akana geje chisi.
The way kukwana. Your eyes is an attraction. Echingumi nao chichuli. Yeah. First thing I look at you, you're beautiful. Next thing I'm like, how is it chichanja? That's the second thing.
So that's what they said to Wanda Mani Mama said they were told that you are a chair. I don't want to Kanaka.
It is Sunday channel I sort of beat. Funanechi to go.
Ekibuuzo bano aboozayo bali mukuta.
Honestly, I always
whatever you can't
watch
eat,
that place.
whatever you can't eat, don't put in the nata. But I was so poor. We na Loreth, we na chovu.
Buvi wash.
That carry. What is that carry?
So if I can't eat it, I shouldn't put it down there.
The pussy is like your mouth. It's natural. I think it's our own now. Because you also second. I don't like period. I just want to clear. Naturally, it's general check discharging. It's general check cleaning. That toka.
Here's another get up period. Can one have sex now in a period?
They do it.
It's up to you. Medically, people say it will go through you, whatever. But I've advised 2 women. They were looking for babies. Ironically, you know what's up? Have sex in a period. I'm not going to be conceived. Because they try to do ovulation in Uganda. They are men who do ritual sex.
Rich.
They are in period. I'm saying that's part of the winner to get paid. Nature, I walk at the end. The period blood mashed it on your wrinkle. Yours, not everyone else. It has collagen. Read about it. It has the best collagen. It has the best.
I get that blood that I smell.
From your period blood during that 3-day, get you always see come
You know how it smells.
I don't. I know how it smells. It's in your brain. You go research. Kati, you're a ritualist. Like one period. Any money you want.
It's ritual.
Go and research about it. Even you, if you're praying for something that you got, pray in your period. Your period, then pray in that period. This is spiritual work. I'm a spiritualist, but I'll tell you.
I think what at school they were telling us when you have sex in your period, you do what? There is a very strong bond.
That's what I am saying. And you never period blood.
Yeah.
The period blood can start water. Have you had people who do part into them in juice and ginger nuts? That's all spiritual.
I heard about that,
They don't get chama, take police, Now, the period blood, this is not for you people who are
Please don't.
This is for this is not for the brainwashed. It's for people who know what spiritualism wants.
So people who, when your partner is having a period, don't have sex.
Yeah, it's you want that way that. But no man who is married, who is in a committed relationship, has not had sex in their period. I have. Oh, we don't go far. Somebody is in their period. There's a constant flow. That's what I used to think. Not the moment in the period. Hey, the moment. Oh, you go to the bathtub. Hey, sorry, I'm spoiling people.
Yeah.
But madness is also key.
And then your semen, I hear you people, your semen, if I want a clear skin,
That's
I get your semen.
very powerful. Very powerful protein.
Oh yeah, protein, and then I have a glow.
Very powerful protein and a very good concealer.
Oh.
And also the semen also holds zinc, so much zinc, which is good for your skin. It's the best serum you can have. Then you have back on now when he has a shoe.
What's the word of the mechanic of having a life sex the end of Ranga? The need the flash, coming and the culture. You know, you want to
Protein super chirungo.
Yeah, guy is in Musoka.
Bina.
Having a regular. Suddenly, there's a guy I had an inbox and Brian, I need period blood like 1 liter. They have to one. Yeah, I ritually started. He's not Ugandan.
No.
Nanga bayagala period blood for 1 liter. Nanga because they just bakomando bangi. Nemukubira kubira kabana nanga Brian. Hey,
1 liter.
Season eno nja kukuletera weekend. Nafuna ebikoko bibiri. But you know when I was serious, the guy was paying more money. So period blood, we can also make with your skin. Most actually skin work.
Skin
They
care.
look for collagen, and the best collagen is through that.
Oh.
Wow.
That is a good one. Thank you.
Just go Google.
I'm going to Google now. Thank you.
Sweetheart, ate kasere kire kuno na kyakulize kusa. Omugaso gwe kire mu mawodo bino. Bukito kusala kisandwa mbasi na
nyamba denji.
Kisambi kyenyinyi.
tugenze kule fashion massage. Fashion
Ojja
massage.
kulaba tutu
Era
Bina.
mukyangala nyashira bikanze bo badowulira unyaunya. Bali mu like see and naye kambongere kyokka bambi anyway on fire banangoliwa oyanoonya munne. Why no, I don't know, is sitting cross-legged.
No, I'm not horny, guys.
It's like for
But it's
today,
not a crime.
babe, I'm
It's not a crime, but I'm not horny.
But I can
Yeah,
see something.
No, I just have romantic eyes, friends. But my eyes, no, please.
And I done the actually no period on Wimo.
Atakule.
One way watakule ndo ndakagenza ile wale msaya so utakula wale kwa.
Yes.
You can come.
Just helping men.
And he's a sex therapist. Ramta brand semanta. TikTok wali ku YouTube namulabye. Ate mnanga abantu abasinga balina ebizibu mu bisenge but they pretend. They have a lot of problems. A lot of issues. Facial massage agajikuwa.
And this serious, tugenda ngujiremo katono. Steaming em katono. Ngane dodo wa bwabuze bibuzo. Ina consultations yeri.
Bwana wallahi bukiriza ne bakusika. Kwata obuntu obwo tugenda kuwakiriza kujana.
Wanga nokunkwatayo Bina. Yogera ku. Munanga I did that amount. Nakola waxing thing naye bannangeri yangu endulu. Walinga wa baby.
Ate ule mkatoka ni wax.
I have a feeling. Bobanga nga omuntu yatandika
Okusika.
Why would you want brand semana tukusika hiyo?
Katoka
Bwetuba mukyogendo oyaga.
Eriya abantu ngabagala.
Waddayo.
Kwikere.
Yeah, waddayo.
Kati haja tiyali twakoze nalekeraawo. Mama Babie nalekeraawo.
Yeah, Brian no longer does that.
Nako kwata masoso.
Bina told Dodo to reduce food.
On the food, yeah, I know, right? So we're going to do the
I'm an
we're
like what them says. 90% of men like.
I know they love yeah, but I
you know what mwana ngatula wa ligumba. Mutama abana aba batonye binyiza. Mubango okuze. Buno obutona bwa 21 25. Anyone above 25 taka ko mubiri. Onye mabyo yambala katsaba.
Wakati ukenda kukina wapi bila kile kwa massage.
Zenange nafunga. Love yourself. I mean, do whatever you want with your body.
Oh, honey,
It's a short life.
let me tell you, I love it. Do you think I really care what people say? I don't. I love it. They want to have a situation where I could once. It's my life.
We're gonna call it a missing. We're gonna buy a drink. We're gonna buy a drink to say to get high. You're not coming to
Mr. Do you have medicine for pulling? Yeah, he does.
Where be?
Those who are by the number, give them the
Oh, my number is 701 71 71
070
1
1
71
71
71 again 67.
67.
Bwana kaka eka. Kauli ndefu kuongezeko. Use your tongue, ring it. Obelenga akapako katono with your lips. Ring it. Because kind sensitive. Like you said, so akabumira. Because I need to ring it with your tongue. Rivere con calaba. It wasted. I feel it. Bibena byokola biba binyuma. Binyuma mbiwulira kaka I'm just imagining. I don't know, very sensitive. Buli kimu omusajja amanyifa omusajja buli kintu kiri kumbiri gwe kirina response. Kisizaako intention gy'okoze. Intention ye omusajja nga alina ekigere kibi nakyo kimunika.
Prince Agambye, Brian, his customer, he has real medicine.
Amina.
Thank you, Prince. Brian, that's the number. We put it there. You can call him up and he'll sort you out. Bedroom issues, guys. So you have to say, boy child.
Sex is natural. You have to do something.
You have to do something, guys.
Sex is like a football game. Do your squats. It's stretching. You know, or massaging it with massaging it. Massaging it with a fenugreek.
Yeah, no fenugreek.
And so bleaching. You know how cream is already made in there. Call it fenugreek. Call it Bina. Call it tama. You want to go to man? Tama to turn on. Also call it fenugreek. Zimba no call it tama.
No call it tama.
Can never it. You never know. Call it fenugreek. Also mufumba.
Want to buy importing
He's good amount of the country, but I import them here. This guy wanage yara busy ndi waka. Okay, so now I'm going to call amatama, but this is even
go for fenugreek.
So good okula no kule tama. Jawu wana bakuwe tama.
Oh, siga kubami ya pwali o massaging go gena katanzuko. Kafalaga lo kuluna. Oh, tukotuna nkanyo tubumba tujanga. I want to tame dena bibi. Mama bibi anza mwanga mama kaina madama.
Nasasira watitaka mbofre. Mutino okubeera nga tusikero nedda wako.
Ojimasaje mbaganti kupenya akatabuliyikwa. Ikiya bwe ndibanga ekunyigira kati gwe jambuse.
Eberega smilinga.
Edda wakulu zuko kule kitamba kinalo.
So bembanyaba.
Ngo massage kama you get a moment. Love your body. Nze ndabona pasaba ko muntu mugamba kawo obudde mumuli byoyagala. Nyoba yagala kukasinga muntu bayakunyiza. Ojiba molu nagamba na Bye! But we got some cool omwanya n'oli alumu.
Okwana tujje. Agenda kusula wano. Bino ebinywi bino baba bagambye yasazeeko.
Nedda.
Tugende tulabe.
Alabe ki?
Tulabe just room.
Sigenda kulaba lw'omuzo.
Then go to the